Well, in the last few classes, we were actually introducing ourselves. Now let's to get to know someone, okay? So how do you get to know someone? Definitely, we need to ask questions to them and they'll be giving us answer. So in different scenario, different types of questions are asked, like formal and informal, and we have to be very specific according to our scenario. Am I right? So let's learn it. First one is Sie, means you. Du again means you, but Sie is formal, du is informal, okay? So let's see two sentences out of it. We heißen Sie. We heißen Sie. That is the formal way of asking name, what's your name? And the informal way is wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? There is a change in these words, so be very careful. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? And how do you answer? Ich heiße Anna or ich heiße Priyanka, and we know the different ways in which you can introduce ourselves, like ich bin Priyanka or mein Name ist Priyanka. So wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? Learn it well, and why this has changes we'll be learning in the coming classes where we start grammar portions. Now we'll understand it just as wie heißen Sie and wie heißt du. One is formal and the other is informal. Thank you.